Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. And today we have something exciting to share with you. We're diving into the fascinating world of Spanish batido, a beloved beverage that might have some hidden facts you've never heard before. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore the unknown facts about Spanish batido. Before we reveal the hidden facts, let's clarify what Spanish batido is for those who are unfamiliar. Spanish batido is a refreshing and creamy beverage that's popular in Spain and various Latin American countries. It's not just a drink, it's an experience that combines fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and a whole lot of tradition. The origin. Did you know that the word batido comes from the Spanish verb batir, which means to beat or to whip? This name perfectly captures the essence of this drink, as it's made by whipping or blending ingredients until they're incredibly smooth and frothy. Versatility. Spanish batidos are incredibly versatile. While they're commonly made with fruits like strawberries, mangoes, or bananas, you can get creative and experiment with various ingredients. In Spain, it's not unusual to find savory batidos made with ingredients like avocado or tomatoes. These variations add a unique touch to an already diverse culinary culture. Healthy and nutritious. Spanish batidos are known for their health benefits. They're often made with fresh fruits, yogurt, or milk, which makes them a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. A delicious way to stay healthy. Cultural tradition. Spanish batidos are deeply rooted in cultural tradition. In Spain, they're commonly enjoyed as a mid-morning snack to beat the heat or as a complement to breakfast. In Latin American countries, they're a popular street food. This tradition helps create a strong sense of community and a shared love for this delightful drink. Sweet or savory. Batidos can be both sweet and savory. In Spain, you'll often find sweet batidos with fruits and sugar. Meanwhile, in Latin America, savory batidos may include ingredients like spices, vegetables, and even hot sauce for an added kick. This diversity of flavors caters to a wide range of palates. Historical significance. Spanish batidos have a rich historical significance. They are believed to have originated from Moorish Spain, where they were known as horchata. This almond and rice-based drink later evolved into the creamy and fruit-filled batidos we enjoy today. It's amazing to see how this delicious tradition has evolved over time. Ice cream inspiration. Did you know that Spanish batidos inspired the creation of one of the world's favorite desserts, ice cream? The idea of blending flavors with ice and milk gave birth to ice cream, which has now become a global sensation. So, you can thank Spanish batidos for contributing to the sweet world of ice cream. Street food delight. In many Latin American countries, Spanish batidos are commonly sold as street food. You can often find street vendors with colorful carts serving up these tasty concoctions. It's a delightful and affordable way to quench your thirst on a hot day. Fusion flavors. Spanish batidos have embraced fusion flavors. In some regions, you'll find innovative combinations that blend traditional recipes with modern twists. For example, a fusion batido might include chia seeds, matcha, or even exotic spices to create unique and exciting flavor profiles. This constant innovation keeps the world of batidos exciting and ever-evolving. At home. The best part is that you can make your own Spanish batidos at home. With a blender, some fresh ingredients, and a little creativity, you can whip up your favorite flavors in no time. It's an excellent way to experiment with flavors and enjoy the taste of Spain and Latin America from the comfort of your own kitchen. So, there you have it, fascinating and lesser-known facts about Spanish batido. This delicious beverage is more than just a drink. It's a representation of culture, tradition, and a little bit of history. If you've never tried a Spanish batido, I highly recommend giving it a shot. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us today to uncover these intriguing facts about Spanish batido. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future explorations into the world of food, culture, and beyond. Until next time, Stay curious and keep sipping on your favorite batidos.